Today I'm discussing beauty sleep. Is this really a thing, or is it just something that we have made up? Well, the research actually shows that getting your beauty sleep really does have a lot to do with the ability to maintain your youth, especially in your skin as you're aging. So this is something that, because of our melatonin levels, now we've heard of melatonin, we know that its proper secretion is very important for proper sleep, but few know the antioxidant effects of melatonin, and this is really important to have that melatonin for repairing your skin. And so another reason to make sure that you go to bed on time and get that restful night's sleep. And of course, getting all of your other hormones in sync is very important as well. And that's something that I discuss in other videos, talking about circadian rhythms and making sure that we have that proper timing of our circadian clocks. Now, in this study, it was shown that age-associated decrease of MT1 melatonin receptor in human dermal skin fibroblasts impairs protection against UV-induced DNA damage. What does that mean in English? Well, they found this correlation between melatonin and, of course, our circadian rhythms, and making sure that we have that proper coordination of our clocks in our skin as well as in our brain has a lot to do with the light and dark cycle. Getting that restful night's sleep, proper melatonin secretion is really important. And you may have experienced this yourself because those beneficial effects of melatonin. So for instance, if you've ever had a really bad sunburn and you go to bed with, really red fiery skin, if you have a good night's sleep, do you notice that in the morning that sunburn is basically alleviated? So this is something that's melatonin going to work, having those antioxidant properties and helping to repair the skin. So another aspect of this is our sirtuin proteins, and sirtuins are known to be very much correlated to the anti-aging effects and longevity, and a lot of sirtuins have been studied. And of course, this correlation with our internal clocks is definitely wanting to slow down that ticking of the clock of aging. So this is something that we can definitely have an influence on our sirtuins, which regulate metabolism and of course the repair of our cells. And as we grow older, unfortunately, some of these clocks can fall out of sync. So we want to make sure all of our clocks are in sync so that we can have that proper cellular repair and metabolism, especially of our skin cells, if we are at all interested in that as part of the aging process. So today I talked all about beauty sleep, that yes, in my opinion, it is a real thing. Really important that we get enough restful sleep. So if you do have questions or comments, I'd love to hear from you. Please put it in the comment section below. Be sure to share this video as well and give me a big thumbs up. If you're new to my channel, welcome in. I hope that you'll subscribe. And everybody has a calling in life. Mine is to empower you to live a healthy lifestyle and of course to do it naturally. Thanks for watching today.